Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another half up, half down hairstyle. However, this time I'm going to be using clip-ins, which made it so much easier and saved a lot of time. So if you'd like to see more, please stay tuned. I'm starting off showing you guys how I made my clip-in. So this hair that I'm using is from Janet Collection. I previously reviewed it, so all the details about this hair will be down below. But I'm going to start by doubling the track, and then I'm going to measure it up to the back of my head and clip it off. Once I get it measured correctly, I'm just going to take some thread and sew those two tracks together. And I want to apologize for the setup. This was such an impromptu hairstyle. Originally I was just going to do a ponytail, and then I decided to make clip-ins at the last minute. So next I'm going to take a couple of wig combs. I prefer wig combs over the little clips that some clip-ins have, and basically I'm going to sew a comb on each corner. As I got to like the middle of my head, my clip-ins, I put 3 combs in. So the longer clip-ins, you can do 2 on the end and then 1 in the middle. This is one of the shorter clip-ins, so I'm just doing a clip on each side. And when it's finished, it should look something like this. These clip-ins were really quick and really easy to make. This is how I have my hair sectioned off. I kind of have like the top part for my ponytail, and then the back part I just have about 6 big braids going straight back. So I made, I want to say like 6 to 7 clip-ins, and I actually had to use some other curly hair as well because I ran out of the Janet Collection. But I'm gonna start and just start sliding those combs right into my braids, and because they're measured perfectly to my head, I don't have to worry about finding clips that fit, or making sure that they line up correctly, because it's already literally tailored to my head size. So before I place this last clip in, I'm going to just get my bun part together with my natural hair. So yeah, I'm just going to smooth it up and gel it down, and then just put my natural hair into like a small bun. So this last clip in is kind of tricky to place. So essentially I'm placing it upside down with the weft falling towards my face, and then I'm going to flip it over. If you've seen my video where I did this with the sew-in, then I'm basically kind of following that same method. However, with the clip-ins, it makes it a little tricky because you have to make sure that the actual wig clips are hidden, and you also have to make sure that the weft is hidden. And there's no like real easy way to kind of do it other than just kind of playing with it until you're able to get it to fall correctly. So yeah, there's no like secret method. You just kind of have to play with it until you kind of get it right. I did this quite a few times before I got it to my liking. And once I'm finished, this is how it looks. So now I'm just going to finish the top knot portion. So I'm just gelling down my edges and baby hair, and I'm also going to blend the little bit of leave out I have on the side into the curly hair. And to blend it in, I really didn't do anything. I really didn't do much. I just took some Eco Styler gel and just kind of gelled it and slicked it into the hair. And then for my bun, I'm just taking another random bundle of curly hair and I'm just wrapping around my natural bun. I have so many different ponytail videos, so yeah, I'm not really doing anything out of the usual. So yeah, I'm just wrapping that weft around. I'm going to pin the end with a bobby pin and then I'm just going to put it into a cute little bun. And we're almost done. I didn't really care for the hair this length. I wanted more volume, so I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm just going to chop it up so that it's shorter and fuller. And then that is pretty much the final look. I love the way this style came out. I liked this hairstyle a lot when I did it as the sew-in, but the clip ends are just so much more comfortable. I can take them out at nighttime. It's a lot easier to install. So yeah, I've been loving this half up, half down hairstyle this weekend. If you don't want to wear it in a bun, you can also just wrap the bundle at the top and wear it in a ponytail. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Don't forget to check out my sew-in version if you're interested in this hairstyle for more long-term wear. And don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.